This is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL earbuds to your Xiaomi Android phone. So I'm using a Redmi 14C. I want to swipe down from the top, go to settings right here, locate Bluetooth. Here's Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And there's going to be a little button here to refresh for new devices. So you want to go ahead and just press it and refresh, and it'll scan for new devices. Go to your JBL headset, open up the case and remove the two devices, or the earbuds. And you can put this to the side now. And if you look at the light, they should be blinking. If they're a solid light, means they're connected to a different device. So you're going to have to go to that other device and disconnect them and forget them. So it automatically popped up for me. All I have to do is go to connect right here. And it's probably going to want you to download the Android app. So you'll have to get the JBL app. I don't think you really need it to use it, but it will prompt you to download it after you connect. So it says connecting, and that might pop up for you right now at the Google Play Store. It says setup. We can go to setup if we want. Here's the JBL app. And it just has a bunch of pictures, and we can accept the terms. We can allow, and you can add your products in here. I got the JBL Beam right here. Now my headset is connected. I'm gonna go to done. You can see this, the equalizer. We got the gestures, smart audio, voice prompts, max volume limit, power saving. So if you lost it, you can find it right there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Euro 6 Studios.